China has become a major player in the manufacturing of heavy machinery, including excavators and their components. OEM excavator control valves made in China are widely available and can offer a cost-effective option for buyers. These valves are produced by various Chinese manufacturers with different levels of quality and technology. It is important to carefully evaluate the supplier before making a purchase to ensure the quality and reliability of the product. By working with a reputable supplier, buyers can obtain high-quality OEM excavator control valves made in China at a competitive price, while ensuring the safety and efficiency of their equipment. K3V series. This series of Kawasaki piston pumps is widely used in excavators, cranes, and other construction equipment. They are known for their high performance and efficiency, with displacement volumes ranging from 63 cubic centimeters to 560 cubic centimeters.